Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Russia's sale of Alaska to the U.S. This historic transaction saw Russia transfer a vast North American territory to the United States. It was a pivotal moment that significantly altered the geopolitical landscape of the continent, expanding U.S. borders considerably. We'll explore the key details and motivations behind this monumental agreement. Russia's decision to sell Alaska stemmed from several strategic and economic factors. Following the costly Crimean War, the Russian Empire was in significant financial distress. Furthermore, maintaining and defending such a remote colony against potential threats, particularly from Great Britain, proved to be a logistical and military burden. The declining profitability of the fur trade also made the territory less valuable. The United States acquired Alaska for the sum of $7.2 million, a figure that translates to approximately 2 cents per acre for the immense landmass. This remarkable deal was orchestrated by U.S. Secretary of State William Seward, who saw the strategic value in expanding American influence. Despite initial public skepticism, the purchase was ratified, marking a significant territorial expansion for the nation. The Alaska purchase ultimately added 412 square miles to the United States, a vast expansion that initially faced criticism. However, the territory later proved to be incredibly rich in natural resources, including significant deposits of gold and oil, far exceeding the initial investment. This acquisition solidified America's presence in the Pacific. Also, for some great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.